What's up, you guys? It's FLAMBO here. We're here in Paris, France. We're gonna shoot into a fashion editorial. I'm just kidding. We're in Stockholm, Södermalm right now, but it actually could be in Paris, France. I've never been there, but to me, in my humble opinion, this looks really much like Paris or France, what I've seen. And I've contacted a model I've worked with before. Her name is Edith, and in my humble opinion, she also got a really French look to her. It's gonna be good times. It's getting a bit dark, but I think with the 1.2 lens it's gonna be alright. We might shoot a little later when it's getting more like the at nighttime noir look. We'll see how it goes. But I think it's gonna be good times anyway, because Edith is a super good model, and yeah, we make good things. So let's do it. When you do a portrait shoot, you want to start it off really easy. Like, just take a location right by where you are. Like, I don't plan my location. I don't plan my shoots that much more than I have a specific area to shoot in, if it's street photography. And you start off slow, like some easy, I would not call it mug shots, but close to mug shots, like just to get the model comfortable, get you comfortable, and just work from there. I did not plan this shoot to be black and white, but as I went on with it, I was like, oh, this is gonna be black and white, because I didn't like the whole the colors of that night. It was like a golden hour, but it was like just after golden hour, so it was like really a fusion of like street lights of different warmths, and yeah. So this got black and white, but I think it suits really well, because it looks like one of my favorite brands, fashion brands, is Balmain, and they use often like streets and black and white and flash. But this, what I'm holding in my hand right here, is not a flash. It's actually just a aperture light. Paolo took it with him, and it really saved the whole shoot, because it started getting really dark in the streets. And the cool thing about these lights is that it mimics a flash, but it's not a flash, so you can see how it would look before you even take the shot. And the model won't close their eyes like they often do with a flash. Like, bruh, look at those eyes, crazy. Yeah, model Edith is a really good model, super handsome, or handsome, do you say that? Pretty, I mean. But I would actually say she's handsome too.
Det hade varit nice att ha en cykel fortfarande.
And here we try to do some through the window shots. You don't have to go into a store to do through the window shots. You can take like an angle of the side, like you see I do here. I think the band rolls, or the triangle shapes you can see in the shot made it a bit ridiculous, but yeah, I like those shots. It was just a different vibe. It's more like, not maybe fashion shoot, more maybe like an event shoot. And we tried to do some backlight, sort of. She was actually sitting on a moped or a motorcycle in this shot, in these shots, and we tried some backlight with the aperture. It was really out of focus, but when I looked at the pictures when I got home, I was like, man, it didn't really matter that they were out of focus. It was really like artistic. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. What did you think? Did it have a French vibe, or did it have some other kind of vibe? And what do you want to see in the next episode? What kind of model do you want, and what kind of fashion? And let me know. I need some creative ideas, since this is like the beginning of this channel. I'm eager to hear what you have to say. Let me know in the comments. Bye.